Bonjour tout le monde, comment allez-vous? Aujourd'hui, le thème de vidéo est le pronom personnel. There are 6 types of pronoun personnel in French. Le pronom per sujet, complément object direct, le pronom y, le pronom en, complément object indirect, le pronom tonique. In today's video, we will be learning more about pronoun sujet. First person, for singular we use je, for plural we use nous. Je means I, nous means we. Second person, tu, for informal, vous, for plural. Third person masculine, elle, masculine plural, ils means they. Third person feminine, elle means she, plural elles. Here I have tried to elaborate each and every person with the example. First person singular is I. For example, j'ai une belle fille. I have a beautiful daughter. Je vais au Canada. I am going to Canada. Je suis grand or grande for feminine singular. I am tall. Je n'aime pas la glace. I don't like the ice cream. Second person you, informal. Tu es grand or grande. You are tall. Tu aimes ton ami. You love your friend. Tu vas au Japon. You're going to Japan. Tu as beaucoup de crayons. You have a lot of pencils. These are used with the informal tu to the youngers. Third person singular he or il. Mon père est grand. He is tall. We can replace mon père with il also. Il a une gomme. He has an eraser. Manuel est beau, or we can say il est beau. He is handsome. John va au parc, or we can replace John with il. Il va au parc. He is going to park. Third person singular she. Ma mère est grande, or we can say elle est grande. She is tall. Elle a une gomme. She has an eraser. Margita est belle, or we can replace Margita with elle. Elle est belle. She is beautiful. Jenny va au parc, or we can replace Jenny with elle. Elle va au parc. She is going to the park. First person plural, that is we, or nous in French. Nous allons au parc. We are going to the park. Ma mère et moi dansons, or we can replace ma mère et moi with nous. It means we. Nous dansons. My mother and me are dancing. Mes enfants et moi allons au Japon. Here, my kids and me makes us we. So, nous allons au Japon. My kids and me are going to Japan. Mes parents et moi gagnons le prix. We can replace mes parents et moi because me is also there. We have to replace with nous. Nous gagnons le prix. We won the prize. We can use you or vous with the sense of you or you all for the formal way of calling you. Tes parents et toi allez au Canada. Your parents and you are going to the Canada. You are going to Canada. We are replacing tes parents et toi with vous. Votre père et vous allez au parc. Or we can replace votre père et vous with vous. Vous allez au parc. You are going to the park. Margita et toi aimez la glace. We can replace Margita and you with vous. Vous aimez la glace? You like the ice cream? Vos parents et vous habitez au Japon. your parents and you live in Japan. Again, we can replace it with the vous form. Vous habitez au Japon. You live in Japan. Third person plural means they or ils. Les enfants vont au parc, or we can replace les enfants with ils. Ils vont au parc, or they are going to the park. We can replace les enfants with ils form because they are considered as masculine plural. Manuel et Caroline vont au Japon. As you can see, one boy and one girl also makes a masculine plural. So we can replace it with ils form. Ils vont au Japon. They are going to Japan. Manuel and Caroline, one boy, one girl makes masculine plural. Mes parents aiment leur maison, or we can say ils aiment leur maison. Mes parents, again, one boy, one girl is there, and as per the French rule, we have to take it as a masculine plural. They love their house. Mon frère et ma sœur mangent la glace. Again, one boy, one girl will be considered as masculine plural. Ils mangent la glace. They are eating the ice cream. Third person plural, they for feminine plural. Les filles vont au parc. Les filles will be replaced with the elles form only. Elles vont au parc. They are going to the park. Jenny and Caroline vont au Japon, or they both are girls. We have to replace them with elles form only. Elles vont au Japon. They are going to Japan. Mes amis. You can see amis are feminine plural here. Mes amis aiment leur maison. We have to replace with elles. Elles aiment leur maison. They love their house. Ma mère et ma sœur mangent la glace. Again, girls are there, feminine plural are there. We have to replace with elles form. Elles mangent la glace. They are eating the ice cream. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be continuing this with further topics or pronoms. Stay tuned. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.